Hello students. Now we are going to study two methods of writing a set. First is listing method. The other name is roster method. The second method is rule method or set builder form method. We'll use any one name for this. First we'll use for first method as listing method and the other we'll use for set builder form method. So what is listing method? We'll see. First, listing method. Conditions for listing method. In this method, all the elements of a set are enclosed with the curly brackets. That means brackets should be like this. This is compulsory. B form. All the elements are separated by commas. For example, we'll take A, B, C, D like this. C. Order can be anyhow. Just like we can take 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 1 or 3, 2, 1. Anyhow you can write, but all the three elements should be in this curly bracket. This is listing method. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to convert listing method into rule method and rule method into listing method. First method we are going to do is listing method to rule method or set builder form. Anything you can use. We'll use set builder form. I'll teach you many problems. First, we'll see how to do. Listing method to set builder form. Second we'll see set builder form to listing method. Now, simple examples we'll take first. First we are doing is listing method to set builder form. What is this? We'll see. First example I'll take. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is listing method. We are supposed to convert it into set builder form. So, we'll take many examples, but we'll take first easy ones. How we are going to take? This we are going to take curly bracket. We'll consider these elements as X. This sign is such that. Remember, the sign is such that. I'll mention here. This sign is such that. Such that. What you can see here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are all even natural numbers and they are less than 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. They are even natural numbers and they are less than 15. So how we are going to write? X is such that X is an even number, even we can take natural number less than 15. Now we'll take second example. We'll see many problems, many examples first of converting listing method to set builder form. This is a sample video, so I'm going to take only 10 examples, and when this chapter I'm going to start, then we will do the remaining one. B. This is 4, 9, 16. What we can say about this? It is not easy to judge easily. This is 4, this is 9, this is 16. This is 2 square, this is 3 square, and this is 4 square. So you can write x is such that x is square of natural numbers where x is equal to 2, 3 and 4. That means the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9, the square of 4 is 16. We'll take another example. A, E, I, O, U. You can see these are vowels in English alphabet. So, you can take X, you can take Y, you can take anything. I am taking X only for all the things. X is such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. We'll go for fourth problem. See, this is V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. They are colors in the rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are all color in the rainbow. So, X is such that X is a color in the rainbow. Now, we'll see fifth number. E. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are integers. They are integers and they are it lies between 3 and -3. So, we'll write X such that X belongs, this sign will use as a belongs to integer where X is greater than -3 and less than 3. Remember, here 1 is smaller, 2 is greater, but when you put minus sign, -1 is greater than -2. So, X is greater than -3 but less than 3. Now, we'll take simple examples. Sixth number. So this is the number. Again we'll take A. Anything we can take as such. A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So, how we are going to write this? Answer. X is such that X is a square of natural numbers where X is 1 to 10. Or you can write like this. X is such that X belongs to natural number where X is equal to n square n is less than or equal to 10. See. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 10, 100. You can see 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square. This you can write like this also. X is such that x is a square of natural number where x is 1 to 10. Or x belongs to natural number. This sign says to belongs. And this sign says to such that. Belongs to natural number. Now x is equal to n square. You can take x is equal to n square. So this n is less than or equal to 10. This we are taking as n. So x is such that x is equal to n square. So, and x belongs to natural number. Or you can take another method. A is such that x is equal to directly n square. We will not take this method. We will directly take x is equal to n square. N belongs to natural number where n is less than or equal to 10. A is equal to such that x is such that x is equal to n square. Directly we are taking this as n square. N belongs to natural number. N is less than or equal to 10. This is much more easier than this. We'll take next problem. Simple problem we'll take. B is equal to S M I L E. So here S M I L E. What you can say? This is a letter in the word smile. X is such that X is a letter in the word smile. This you'll get when we are going to convert this from set builder form to listing method. Now next question. We'll take Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, what we are going to write answer as? C is equal to X is such that X is a day of the week. This is very simple. Now, next we'll take D alphabet as A, E, T. So, A, E, T, we'll see X is such that X is a letter in the word eat and T also. See, eat, E-A-T, that is here, T-E-A-T. So, both things you can, A-E-T you can write as eat also and A-E-T you can write as T also. So, both the, like here, smile, S-M-I-L-E, we have taken only one word. Here, you can take A-E-T as two words. Two words, that is eat and T. We'll take one more example. 10th example. Simple example we'll take. A is equal to nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. What we are going to write? This A, B, C, D, anything you can take, it is not a compulsory thing. X is such that what you are going to write here? X is such that X is human sensory organs. You can write like this. So, just now we are going to convert it in a different way. How we are going to convert in different way now? The thing first. Set builder form to listing method. This is simply a sample video, so we are not going to take all the problems. I am going to take another 10 examples of set builder form to listing method. We'll take first example. First, all months in a Indian solar year. So, how we are going to write it in listing method? I am going to teach you. How we are going to write? A is equal to, we'll take A, B, C, D. We can write all. I am going to put this Chaitra, Vaishak, Jaishta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magha and Falgun. This all we are going to write in second. The question is, now set builder form. It will be in the form of set builder form. X is such that X is even prime number greater than 2. So, we will take this as B. What will be the answer? See, the question is X is even prime number greater than 2. Prime number starts from 2 and there is no even number greater than 2. Rest all the prime numbers are odd numbers. So, it is an empty set. We are going to keep it like this, or we'll put 0 and we'll cut it. That is empty set. Third, we'll take C. X is such that, here we can take X is such that. X is such that X is a number from 1 to 10 divisible by 2. So, what you are going to write answer? From 1 to 10 divisible by 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Fourth example. D is such that X is such that X is a natural number. So, natural number 1, 2, 3, it will go on. It is infinite numbers. We'll take fifth example. Well, E, anything we can take E. X is such that X is equal to n cube, where n is greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 5. So, we are supposed to write the answer. 1 we are going to take. So, greater than or equal to 1. So, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube, 64, less than or equal to 5. 5 cube is 125. You can close it. Greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 5. You can close it here. Now we'll take another example. If x is such that x is odd number less than 10. So f is less than 10. Odd number less than 10. What we are going to take odd number less than 10? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So like this we are going to solve many examples of listing method to set builder form and set builder form to listing method.